Hey guys, it's Myckelle Williams. I'm here to give you a couple of tips and tricks on making money with a little bit of Q&A that I get. Sometimes people always ask me questions and ask me, hey, how are you doing this or how are you doing that? So sometimes I like to just put out a video so I don't have to continue to go over with individual conversations. It's more easy to just, hey, throw this video out and just answer all your questions at once. So banks. A lot of people ask about the bank, the particular type of bank they use. I personally have 5 business bank accounts for my business credit usage. I have Bank of America, I have Truist, I have Chase, I have US Bank, and I have Navy Federal. I found that a lot of these banks are pretty good with doing credit cards and loans. And Wells Fargo, they weren't doing it for a while, and now they're back to giving business credit cards. So that might be an option as well. And yes, relationships are important. So your goal should be to go in there, open up business accounts. Yes, at all of them. That's going to take some work. I remember one day I was doing that for like 3 days straight. So opening up business accounts at all of them, because establishing a relationship is important in order to get the business credit. And so you're going to go in there, you're going to tell them what you do. Remember, we talked about having a generic name, which gives you that NAICS number that you need. You're going to give them the number. You're not going to let them choose one for you. That's important. And then you're going to go in there with your, here's what I do. And you're going to lay the foundation. You're going to open up the bank account and you're going to just leave it for about a month or so and allow that relationship to develop. You can put money in and out of it if you'd like. It doesn't require you have tens of thousands of dollars going in and out. I just did the minimum required, which was like $50 to $100 to open the account. And then once I opened it, established that relationship for about 30 days, and I started applying for the 0% APR cards. And we'll talk about that later. But yeah, so getting that relationship started is important, and making that contact those banks and actually having a good relationship with a banking relationship manager is important too. I would apply for those accounts with those people. If you need more help, give me a holler soon.